Wash my hands so nice and clean, the cleanest hands you've ever seen. Rub them gently front and back, keeping every germ off track. Wash my face with gentle care, splashing water everywhere. Bright big smile and sparkling eyes, happy laughter fills the skies. Wash my arms and wash my knees, wash my elbows if you please. Little fingers, little toes, bubble foam from head to nose. Wash, wash, sing along, bath time makes us healthy and strong. Clap your hands and laugh today, clean is the happy way. Wash my tummy nice and round, lots of bubbles can be found. Wash my back and shoulders too, fresh and clean for something new. Wash my legs and little feet, now they're fresh, clean and neat. Dry with a fluffy towel bright, everything feels warm and light. Brush my hair and wear clean clothes, happy from my head to toes. Ready now for fun and play, smiling through the whole new day. Moon and stars begin to shine, bedtime comes and that's just fine. Fresh and cozy, tucked in tight, sweet dreams every single night. Wash, wash, hip hooray, we stay happy